Good morning guys, I'm the old mechanic and I'm still busy on my BMW R1150Gs. What are we going to do today? We're going to renew the seals of the front forks as the right side is leaking. I think it's a nice project. So guys, come on over and we start. First thing we're gonna do is get my winch up to here. Okay, careful with the fingers. Okay. Now, first we get the speed cable out of the way. These are in, this one out. Really filthy also. First we're gonna loosen this bolt. And beautiful. It's 17. Oh. Yes. Then that pinch bolt. It's Allen 6. Gonna screw it out all the way. Hop. One. On this side we have a pinch bolt. 2. Hop. Okay. Now have a look. Okay, everything is free. Yep. And then something like this, or a screwdriver. There is a hole in the axle, front axle, see, and just lift the wheel a tiny bit up. There he comes. Hoppa. Okay. This side is a bushing thing. Feel the bearings. These are good. This one you take off too. Okay. On this side. Okay, feels good too. Then roll the wheel out. Now that's all. Wasn't that difficult, eh? Okay. Now there is this steel clip. Hop. For your ABS sensor. Get it out of the way. Okay. Out of the way, okay. Then over here is a cap. Up. Lift it. And over here is a cap too. We're gonna use some, as this is all rusted. Wait a moment, I'm gonna show you. See? And the other one is more good. This one it isn't. So I'm gonna give it a squirt of penetrating oil. Okay. This one too. Okay. This is also Allen 6. Not sure. Don't think it's very tight. It isn't. Loosen them. This one. Yep. 22. Yes, 14. Then yes. Okay, then give it a little tap. Okay. Yes, already got out. Easy. Easy as Nell. Yeah, we're gonna take this one out of the way. It's easy. Yes. It's Torx 25. There are two. No. Okay, here we've got him. Tiny screw. Yes. Okay. Okay. This one up. Yes. Got it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a nice place. We can, if necessary, drift something in between, but let's feel, you know, I think it's needed. So, Spider-Man. Okay, then I'm gonna get that nut off. Oh, that was 14. Bit. Yes. Up a nut. Another nut. Then we can already lower this tube. Now feel if this one, yeah. But I'm gonna put something in between as I don't want to scratch it. All tire lifters. Hoppa. Guys, first I'm gonna get that cap off. That's a bit in the way. Carefully pry it up. 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 Yes. Out of the way. Then again. This one. Got my special. No, special. Okay. Oh. Shit. And guys, one out. Easy. Very easy. Holy shit. Rusted. Then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Guys, on this side I use this wrench 14 and then yes, there he goes. Okay. Okay. Okay, then take this one, put it on, give it a tap. Yep. Get it further, give it another tap. Okay. Watch. We can do it because this nut has a shoulder. See? Then we go down, 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 deeper and down. Da, 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 da. You see, you can see that it leaked a lot for a long time. I can show you that. Now, okay. Then we're gonna this one in between. Okay, up. See, and then, guys, right, this one out of the way. Oh, your oil is already on its way. Hop. Easy as that, hè? Ja, het is echt. Op. Yeah, this one has leaked. See you. Now guys, we got them out. Was it difficult? No, not at all. Now, we're going over there and do some more.